Hello guys, yeah, how I made this yummy patty jollof rice recipe. So yum, look at that guys. If you want to know how I made this patty jollof rice recipe, then you definitely have to continue watching. This recipe is a must try. Watch and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Look at that guys. Yummy. This is so yummy. Let's go watch and share my video. Look at that guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Back to my channel. Izada Kings here with you again. On today's video, I'm gonna show us how to make that patty jollof rice that you have been wanting to have. Oh yes, I'm gonna show you the secrets to that patty jollof rice that you will love to have. This is gonna be a step-by-step tutorial. So stay tuned till the end of this video. For all our new subscribers, you are highly welcome to this family. If you are a returning subscriber, you are welcome. And all the permanent subscribers, I love you all. You all are the real MVP. So guys, let's dive into the cooking. Here is a list of the ingredients we'll be using for this rice. Here is the star dish. This is 7 cups of rice. Here is the vegetables. Here tomatoes. Here is it guys. This is 1 large green bell pepper, 2 red bell peppers, 3 big fresh tomatoes, and 2 red cornish pepper. Okay. So guys, that's our chicken for this meal. It has been thoroughly washed and cut to the sizes I will want. So in here guys, we have some garlics here. Here are our garlic. Here are ginger, 2 big onions. So guys, for the spices, we have the tomato paste. This is the tomato paste I will be using. This is our thyme powder. This is our curry powder. You can see that guys. This is our turmeric. Jollof rice without turmeric, I don't know what you are thinking. Okay. This is our coriander spice. I love this spice a lot guys. These are some nutmegs, seed nutmegs guys. This is our rosemary, dried rosemary. This is our bay leaf. There is no jollof rice without bay leaves. This is our bay leaves. These are seasoning cubes to taste. This is our salt. So guys, let's go into the cooking. So guys, the first thing I will be doing is to wash these vegetables. Okay, I'm gonna wash my vegetables because I used to roast them. So you have to check out this my style. I used to roast my vegetables, my fresh tomatoes and all that in the oven. So guys, when I wash, I will cut it like so. I will cut it like so. Okay. The onions. That's the ginger. That's the garlic guys. So guys, next thing, I'm gonna sprinkle some salt on this. I'm gonna sprinkle some salt like so. Then I will sprinkle some vegetable oil. This vegetable oil is gonna help in the roasting so it won't be dry. Okay, that's the essence of this oil. So that is it, guys. Look at that yumminess, guys. Everything here is going right inside the oven. Okay guys, it's time to cook our chicken. Okay, remember I told you the chicken is thoroughly washed, so we're gonna throw that in. That's our chicken, guys. That's our chicken. So we're gonna spice this up. In here I have a blend. In here, look at that, guys. I have a blend of pepper, garlic, onions and ginger. Okay, so that's what I will be using to spice up this. So I will be adding some thyme. I will be adding some rosemary to this chicken. Please don't forget to cook your chicken with some rosemary. It's nice. I will be adding some coriander. Okay guys, our chicken has been cooking for 5 minutes now. Look at that yumminess, guys. Check out that. Can you see that yumminess? So this is how I like making my chicken. Okay, so the chicken is done already. I told you I'm still going to put it in the oven. Okay, I'm gonna dry it more in the oven. Look at that, guys. Okay, so I don't use to add water. Okay, it will bring out its juice itself. And that's what I will be using my stock to cook this rice. That's so yummy. Look at that, guys. So guys, this is what our chicken looks like. So I'm gonna turn off the heat now and then get it ready to be put into the oven. So that's it, guys. I'm gonna blend everything together. Everything is gonna be blended together. Okay, so let's get started. So guys, I just finished blending. Okay guys, that's our puree, that's our tomatoes, that's our roasted vegetables. So it's time for the cooking. Okay guys, I will be throwing in some vegetable oil. That's my vegetable oil. The pot is dried now. Okay, I threw in some vegetable oil. I think this quantity is enough. Guys, I will be throwing in my onions. So once I throw in my onions, at this stage is when I do add my bay leaf. Okay, so that's one bay leaf. So guys, that's the time I throw in my bay leaf. Not just my bay leaf, my thyme comes now. Okay, I will be adding thyme. This rice is big, 7 cups of rice. And then the rosemary all comes in now. That's how I does mine. So guys, try this out. You will see a difference. So yeah. Our jollof rice is getting ready. Who is excited as I am? So guys, at this juncture, I'm gonna add my tomato paste. So this is the first thing you do. That's our tomato paste, guys. Okay. So at this juncture, we're gonna add our puree, our roasted tomato. Guys, you have to try this style of mine and give me a comment in the comment section on what you feel. Okay guys, we will cover this and allow it to dry a little bit. Remember, it's almost dry. Okay, we just cover it. Let's just give it like a minute or 2 minutes. We'll add up our other spices. So guys, while we are waiting for that, let's quickly parboil our rice. So guys, this is turmeric powder. I'll be throwing that in now. That's some coriander powder. So I'll be adding my curry powder. Guys, you need to see the aroma in my kitchen right now. My kitchen smells so nice. Oh my god, I can't wait for this to get done. That's our stew base, guys. So yum. You need to be here and perceive what is happening in my kitchen, guys. So yum. That's what we have here. Okay guys, our rice is well parboiled now. So that's our stew base. So that's our rice, guys. That's the rice. Is well parboiled and washed. Okay, we're gonna add that. That's it, guys. Yummy goodness. Okay, then we add the chicken stock. That's our stock, guys. We just added the stock now. Okay, and we need more water. Look at that, guys. So we just added more water. So we are trying to mix everything very well. Mind you, we still have some stew base. I removed some when the stew base was done. I felt it's too much. Okay, so at the end of the day, we'll be adding some on top to turn everything together. So So guys, you test for salt. Okay, I think we need little more salt, but every other ingredient is okay. So it only needs salt. Every other thing is so on point. Okay, God, guys, you need to be here. The aroma in my house is on another level. Okay guys, so we have to cover this with some foil. Okay, we have to cover it with this foil. See, let me tell you, when you are making your jollof rice, please, you steam it, okay, on a low heat. On a low heat, get this covered. The essence is so that all the ingredients will not go out. Okay, everything will be retained. Okay, so this is how I make my jollof rice. Mind you, this is on a low heat. If you have not learned this thing, learn it today. There will be no way for evaporation to occur. That's the reason. Okay guys, the reason why I'm using this method is so that all the ingredients will be retained in this jollof rice. Okay, so I'm cooking it now on a low heat, on the lowest heat possible, and then I cover with the foil so there will be no form of evaporation. All the ingredients will be highly retained in this jollof rice. So try this method and give me a feedback on what you think. Okay, let's wait for the outcome, guys. Hello guys, so this is what our jollof rice looks like. It's done, guys. Okay, so I will be adding our garnishing. So here we'll be using some fresh tomatoes and some chopped onion. So try and make it this way. This is gonna add flavor to this jollof rice. Okay, so when you add that, we're gonna cover it and allow it to simmer for more 2 seconds, and we are done. Okay guys, these have been here for small time, so we're gonna turn everything together, guys. So remember, I removed some stew base. Okay, so I want this rice to be more colorful. I want it to be more, so I'm gonna add some of my stew base. This was the stew base I removed, so I'm gonna add some to make it more colorful. Okay, to make it more colorful. Guys, you need to be here, as in the aroma in my kitchen is everything. You need to be here, guys. This recipe is a must try. Okay, you definitely have to try this recipe. Sure, you definitely have to. So guys, this is what our jollof rice, this is how it came out. Okay, the recipe is a must try. Guys, at this junction we are done with this jollof rice recipe. Party jollof rice is ready. Yum yum. Please bring your plate. Okay, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I wonder what you are waiting for. Press the red button down below so you will be part of this amazing family. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you will get notified whenever I post a new video. Yeah, give this video a thumbs up. Share my video with your family and friends. A lot of people want to see how to get that perfect party jollof rice. Don't deny them to see this recipe. Share my recipe. See you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.